Okay, you guys, welcome to my computer and my office, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make an Avery label so that you can easily go and just enhance your own business supplies and Scentsy customer giveaways and gifts and customer packages, but also your team stuff. So basically what you're going to want to do is find an Avery label. I get mine off of Amazon. I also shop clearance racks as well. So even off brands like this will have an Avery comparable label code. You want to find that, okay? So this label size is a 1x4. Okay, so you're just going to go to avery.com. This is free and easy. You're going to find a template. You're going to type in the code that I just gave you, 8161. 8161. Done. Okay, you are going to start designing. Now, I'm making mystery giveaway bags. So I'm going to, and these are like boo bags or bad luck bags. And so I'm going to type in Halloween. Okay. And then look what comes up. I mean, get a load of this. Can you even see all the good, cool designs? Okay, I am not going to have to worry with fonts. I am not going to have to worry about colors. Everything is already done. I just have to find one of the tons of labels, because every template size, that code that I just gave you, every template size has different fonts, have different designs. Now, up at the top, you can select a blank design by taking away Halloween and just going with a plain design. You can do that. And then also over on this side, over in the left-hand column, you can see different animals and natures, blank, business, occupation, events, Hello Kitty, holidays, homeschool, nonprofits, and styles. And each one of these has hundreds, I mean like hundreds of different ideas, okay? But I have a specific design in mind that I want to help me create the look. So I think I'm going to go with this purple. I think this is really fun. I don't really get into Halloween, if I'm being honest. Okay, so I'm going to kind of move back my camera just a little bit. This is extremely hard to do with one hand. Okay, I'm going to move this back. So I'm going to take away name and address. And I realize that every time I put my hands, it blurs out the screen. So I'll try to be a little bit better with that. Okay, so a font, a color, and a size has already been predetermined based on Avery's smart brain. They kind of know what works. And so they're going to give you an already set up template so that you don't have to overthink. So I could just type it in as is. I could just say, thank you. Okay, it's hard to type with one hand. For your order. Okay. Sorry, super challenging to hold the phone and type with one hand. Okay, I could just say thank you for your order. Oh, there we go. Is that better? And then let's see. I want to add my website. So I'm going to go up to add a text box. I'm going to move the text box down here. I'm going to pull this over. I feel like this is super elementary for you guys because I feel like all of you guys have gotten on Avery and just played, because you can't mess this up, guys. Like, just play. Okay, sorry. I thought I had to set up a text shortcut for my website, but looks like I need to get back in and set that up. Needmoresense.com. Okay. So see how it's kind of over here? That drives me batty. So I'm going to go over. I'm going to click right here to center. Ah, looks good, but are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? I'm thinking this is way too small. Thank you for your order needs to be big. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go over and I'm going to change this bad boy to like a 28. Oh, it got really big. Actually, I'm getting the red warning. So I need to go down because the red warning just says, hey, you've actually passed the borders and we're not going to be able to print this all on your label. So this, I mean, they think for you. You don't have to use your brain. it thinks for you. Okay. Oh, that looks really fantastic. Okay. I just don't like this font. And so I'm going to go over and change it. I actually want to see what this looks like. Nah, I'm really picky. Yeah, I think I'll do this. I don't know. I don't really love it, but for the sake of getting through the video. So I'm thinking an orange might look really good. Yeah. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so say you want to, okay, and the reason that this has an underline through it is because it doesn't recognize the spelling. So you just take it away like that. Now I can move this around. I can even move this around if I want to make it smaller. If I want to change the bats, I can make each one of them smaller. Okay. All right. I can remove the color. I can change the color of the bat. I could use the bat as a background. I could add another image in here. I could add my picture. Let me show you how that looks. So let's see. Whoops, I messed up. I messed up again. Oh, thanks. Okay. So let's add an image just for fun. Now I'm going to add an image and I'm going to look back at some of the other things that I've added before. So let's go to my accounts. And I've added a picture of me. Oh, that should be lovely. Speaking of Halloween, haha. Okay, so let's move this bad boy. So, oh, come on. I'm gonna move it over here. So oddly enough, I'm making jokes about having my picture on there, but seriously, your picture sells. It makes you you, and people love to see you and who you are. And so, I'm not even gonna lie, I hate putting my picture in stuff, but it really is very, 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 it's good marketing. Okay, so I'm going to change the size of this. Hold on. Well, I'm going to change the size of this. I'm going to make it a 20. And then I'm going to pull it over so that it makes room for my mug shot. There you go. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to leave it like this. I'm just giving you options. Okay? So down here it says, caution, your object was snapped to a place inside the border for safe printing, outside the border for print to edge. Right-click on the object or use the view menu to snap the edge. So the cool thing over here is that you can kind of see everything at a glance, how it will look. Or let's just say that one of the pictures has, you want it to be different. So maybe on one of the labels, you want it to say something different like, thank you for your order, Megan. Okay, so you could edit one at a time and pick which one you want to edit, or you can edit all of them and do that right here. Okay, so if I want one of these to say thank you for your order, Megan, then I would put it there, and then I could click on this one down here and it could say thank you for your order, John or Susan or whatever, and then you could leave some blank and handwrite them in, which is what I plan to do. Does that make sense? Okay, and then you're gonna print to preview. Looking fine. And you can zoom this in or out according to how old your eyes are. Mine are getting really old. Okay, and then I'm going to choose print yourself. Avery will offer to print them for you. You're going to click save. You're going to save to your account. You can rename it something like Boo Bags or whatever. You can save it to your computer, but I highly recommend for you to save it to your account. You can create a free account. You're going to do this and then watch this happen. Ta-da! You can get out of here. You're going to open this up. Oh, wrong thing. Sorry. Well, dang. You're going to print now. Hold on. I messed up somewhere. See? There. I should have pressed that. I'm sorry. Okay, and then I'm going to go, so it's saved to my computer now. I'm going to open this up. Done. This is your PDF, which is going to make it print just right. You're going to click print, and you're going to just simply print it through your printer now. If you have glossy labels, change your settings in your computer or in your printer to glossy specialty paper. If you're printing a photo, then you would want to change it to photo. Like if you're printing that right there, you'd want to change it to photo. But the opportunities and the possibilities are truly endless. It is such a fun thing to do. So I challenge you to get on there and just test your skills out. You can customize, you can go back, you can undo. Like, you watched me go through so many different things. Don't be afraid to play around with it. You can take things out, you can add things, just play. I'm gonna get rid of that picture for sure. All right, hope this helped. Bye.